Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today I am going to teach you how to represent root 5 on a number line or any term having root on a number line. So let us start guys. Now I want to represent root 5 on this number line. So we know first of all on number line we are having positive terms, negative terms 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on right hand side positive and on left hand side we are having negative like this. Now can we directly represent root 5? Can you find root 5 on this number line? No, we cannot. So directly we cannot represent this root 5 on a number line. So what we need to do? First of all, we need to form a imaginary right angle triangle. We need to form a imaginary, or you can draw a rough right angle triangle. By putting values of these two sides by ourselves, we have to find out this hypotenuse as root 5. How we can do that? So first of all, we need to make a rough figure and we need to find out this hypotenuse as root 5. How we can do that? So you need to start from the basic. First of all, let me tell you, you need to find out the nearest perfect square number less than 5. Nearest perfect square number less than 5 is 4. 4 is a perfect square number and 4 is a perfect square of 2. So here you need to take your base as 2. Every time you need to do this only. Guys, you need to find out the nearest perfect square number less than the given terms. Take it here and every time you need to take 1 here. Now with the help of this, find out hypotenuse. We know what is the formula for hypotenuse. Finding hypotenuse by Pythagoras. H square is equals to a square plus b square. So hypotenuse square is equals to sum of square of other two sides. So here your a is 2. So we need to take 2 square. B is 1. So 1 square. Now 2 square will be 4. 1 square will be 1. So you will get your h square, 4 plus 1, 5. So your h will be, now this is h square. So h will be under root 5. Now you got this hypotenuse as root 5. As I told you that we have to suppose this first on a rough triangle. Now we come to know that this value will be root 5 when these two sides are 2 and 1. So now what we are going to do? Now we are going to do this triangle on this number line. How? Here the base is 2. So you need to draw a line segment from 0 to 1 here. Let me use some another color. Let me take yellow. So your base is 2. This was 2. So I had taken this 2. Now this is right angle triangle and this is 1. So you need to draw a perpendicular 1 centimeter unit like this. Now join this. Can you tell me what will be the length of this hypotenuse? Obviously, if this is 2, this is 1, so this length will be root 5. But we need to represent this root 5 on a number line. So now what you need to do? Now you need to use your compass. Some students are calling rounder or we call compass. Keep your needle, steel needle here, keep your pencil here and draw a arc. Needle here on compass and draw an arc like this. Wherever this arc will cut, you can see this distance was root 5. Now this distance will be also root 5. So your this point will be root 5. Simple. This way only you need to do. Suppose they are asking represent root 2 on a number line. Again you need to form a rough triangle, right angle triangle. Now base, nearest perfect square number less than 2. We know 1 and root of 1 will be also 1, square of 1 will be also 1. So nearest perfect square number here less than 2 is 1 and we need to find out root of 1 is also 1. So that only we have to take. Here what we had done, nearest perfect square number less than 5 was 4 and root of 4 was 2. So we had taken 2 here. Now 1 here, every time we have to start with 1 only. So what you will get 1 here and 1 here. So by Pythagoras, h square is equals to a square plus b square. So 1 square plus 1 square 1 plus 1, sorry 1 plus 1, 2 will come here, h square 2, so h will be under root. Now you need to represent this on a number line. How? Let me take white color. You can see this is your number line. Okay, I selected some another color. 1 will come here, sorry 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is your number line. Now your base is 1, so 0 to 1, 1 here. Now height is also 1, perpendicular 1 centimeter. So this hypotenuse will be root 2. Now keep your rounder or compass needle here, pencil here, and draw a arc. The arc will intersect somewhere here, so this will be root 2. This point will be root 2. So this way you can represent any term with root on a number line. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please follow me. Please subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Unacademy, guys, where I am taking free live lectures. Still, if you are having any doubt related to this, you can join me on Unacademy. Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the goal JEE NEET NTSC, and they will ask you a referral code. You need to use my referral code, guys, Galaxy Coaching, so you can join me on my free class. And there you need to search my profile, guys. My profile name is Chetan Vadadia. Just search that and click on the follow button. You will be able to get link of all my free classes. So join me on Unacademy also, and like, share, subscribe.